Okay, are you doing fasting? Kahit 12 hours lang.
Pwede na ako ngayon, no?
Oh, 7 p.m. last meal, 7 a.m. first meal, that's 12 hours fasting.
Pwede na ako sa 12 hours
Oh,
fasting.
minimum.
Every day.
No. Minimum lang yon. 7 p.m. last meal nyo. The next 7 a.m. Minimum na yon. Usually nga, hindi pa nga nagugutom eh. Pero sabi ko sa kanila, observe. Eat whenever you're hungry. Pero kakastart mo pa lang, no? Okay. Okay. Fasting, huwag nyo munang isipin. Pagka nag-start pa lang, fasting, huwag mo na. Eat whenever you're hungry. Just focus on the safe food list. Eventually, after a month, magugulat ka. Wait, I'm not hungry. Hindi ako gutom. So, if you're not hungry, huwag kang kakain. Pagka gutom ka na lang, saka kakain.